How to fix Find My Location not working issue on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, this video is right for you. First, tap on Settings, scroll down on your screen, and tap on the option called Privacy and Security. Once you tap into it, it will now take you to the new page and tap on Location Services. Make sure the location services are on. Now tap on Share My Location. Once you tap into it, it will now show you if your Find My phone is on or not. As you can see, it is on, but sometimes it might be off. Make sure it is turned on most of the times. Also make sure that your Send Last location is on so that it will automatically send the location to the Apple when the battery is low. In this way, you can easily fix Find My Location not working issue on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.